Are you ready to elevate your smoothie game? Finding the perfect blender can make all the difference between a lumpy, unappetizing drink and a creamy, delicious concoction. In this video, we'll take a look at some of the best smoothie blenders on the market, highlighting their features, durability, and blending capabilities. Whether you're a health enthusiast seeking nutritious green smoothies or a busy parent whipping up quick breakfast options, we'll help you discover the ideal blender to suit your lifestyle and culinary needs. Let's blend. Find all the product links mentioned in this video in the description box below. For more comprehensive details, visit our website Consumerfinds.com. Like this video, subscribe our channel, and click the notification bell for the latest updates. Ready for the list? Let's jump right in. Number 5. Ninja BL610 Professional are fine for best budget smoothie blender. If you're seeking a blender that balances excellent performance with affordability, the Ninja model is a fantastic choice. Boasting 1,000 watts of power, it effortlessly handles up to 72 ounces of your favorite recipes. Whether you're preparing nutritious smoothies for the family or making large batches of creamy soups, this blender proves to be a reliable kitchen companion. Creating delicious smoothies filled with frozen berries and ice will become a refreshing part of your morning routine. A helpful tip: adding enough liquid is crucial for achieving that silky smooth texture you love. You'll appreciate the 3-speed settings and pulse option, which give you flexibility in your blending tasks. However, it's essential to be mindful of the noise level. It can be quite loud, similar to a small jet engine. So, if you enjoy early mornings or late-night blending sessions, consider your household's sleep schedule. What makes this Ninja blender truly user-friendly is its straightforward controls, allowing you to whip up tasty treats in no time. When you're done, cleaning is a breeze, ensuring you can spend more time enjoying your creations and less time scrubbing. Ready to unleash your culinary potential without straining your budget? This budget-friendly powerhouse is here to elevate your kitchen experience, though you might want to prepare for its vibrant roar as you blend. Number 4. Ninja BN301 Nutri-Blender Plus are fine for best compact smoothie blender. If you're ready to elevate your smoothie making experience without sacrificing precious counter space, the Ninja Nutri-Blender Plus is the perfect solution for you. This compact blender is designed for those who prioritize both health and convenience in their kitchens. Despite its small footprint, the Ninja Nutri-Blender Plus boasts an impressive 900 watts of power, effortlessly transforming fresh and frozen fruits into silky smooth blends. Say goodbye to lumpy smoothies. You can easily create your favorite beverages by placing your ingredients into one of the 3 generous 20-ounce cups. Just add a splash of liquid, secure the blade lid, flip it, and press down to enjoy a nutritious drink in no time. Whether you're rushing to work, heading to the gym, or enjoying a moment of relaxation, the included 3 twist-on spout lids make it easy to take your smoothies on the go. Measuring only 4.7 by 4.7 by 13.8 inches, this blender fits seamlessly into any kitchen, allowing you to make healthy choices without any hassle. By incorporating the Ninja Nutri-Blender Plus into your routine, you're not just blending ingredients, you're blending comfort, health, and convenience into your lifestyle. Embrace this compact powerhouse to help you achieve a smoother, more vibrant you. One delicious sip at a time. Still searching for the perfect smoothie blender? Don't give up just yet. We've got more in store for you. If this is your first time here, make sure to subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated on our latest videos. You won't be disappointed. Number 3. Nutribullet Pro are fine for best personal smoothie blender. If you're looking to elevate your smoothie making experience, the Nutribullet Pro is the ideal addition to your kitchen. This powerful blender packs an impressive 900 watts, significantly outperforming both the Magic Bullet and the original Nutribullet. No more gritty textures or pesky chunks in your smoothies. Get ready for silky, smooth blends that will make your taste buds sing. Convenience is at the heart of the Nutribullet Pro. You can blend directly in the cup, making it incredibly easy to prepare your favorite drinks. Just chop your ingredients, blend, and seal with a snug lid for a hassle-free way to enjoy your smoothies on the go. While it's not fully leak-proof, with some care, you'll enjoy spill-free sipping throughout your day. Using the Nutribullet Pro is straightforward and quick, allowing you to create delicious smoothies in under 60 seconds. With a generous 24-ounce capacity, you'll have ample space to mix nutritious ingredients for a post-workout boost or a quick breakfast while rushing out the door. Additionally, the Nutribullet Pro comes in a vibrant array of colors, adding a touch of style to your kitchen. Whether you're a smoothie novice or a blend master, this blender is your perfect partner in achieving delicious and nutritious drinks. Embrace the opportunity to transform your daily routine and enjoy the benefits of healthy living with the Nutribullet Pro by your side. Number 2. Vitamix Explorian E310, our find for best Splurge smoothie blender. If you're looking to elevate your kitchen experience, the Vitamix Explorian E310 is your perfect companion. This powerful blender is designed to transform your smoothies into velvety masterpieces, ensuring every sip is smooth and enjoyable. With 10 variable speeds at your fingertips, you can easily blend everything from soft fruits to tough nuts, eliminating graininess and achieving the ideal texture. Space constraints in your kitchen. The E310 features a 48-ounce container that strikes the perfect balance between capacity and a compact design. It easily fits under cabinets, making it an efficient option that won't dominate your counter space while remaining readily accessible for daily use. Cleaning up after blending shouldn't be a hassle. With its dishwasher-safe tamper and lid, maintaining the E310 is a breeze. A few quick taps will have your blender spotless, allowing you to spend more time enjoying your delicious creations instead of scrubbing dishes. Whether you're preparing a quick breakfast before heading out the door or mixing a refreshing post-workout smoothie, the E310 is designed to adapt to your busy lifestyle. Toss in your favorite greens, fruits, and other ingredients to craft healthful, flavorful smoothies. With the Vitamix Explorian E310, you hold the power to create not just beverages, but delightful experiences for your taste buds. Before we unveil the top find, don't forget to explore the description below for the latest deals on each of these items. And if you want to stay informed about the best products on the market, make sure to subscribe. Number 1. Vitamix 5200, our find for best smoothie blender overall. If you're ready to elevate your smoothie making experience, the Vitamix 5200 is here to transform your kitchen routine. This blender isn't just another appliance, it's a versatile powerhouse that can handle everything from a simple berry banana mix to more complex creamy creations. With its generous 64-ounce capacity, you can easily prepare smoothies for yourself or for a crowd, making it perfect for both solo mornings and social gatherings. The Vitamix 5200 features a smart, narrow jar design, allowing for efficient blending that ensures even the toughest fruits and vegetables are thoroughly mixed. You'll appreciate the sturdy construction that stands up to the wear and tear of daily use, making it a reliable kitchen companion. The intuitive speed dial and pulse switch put you in control, enabling you to customize your blend with ease. However, it's worth noting that the package includes only one jar, so if you prefer personal-sized smoothies or plan to prepare multiple blends at once, consider investing in an additional jar for convenience. With the Vitamix 5200, you're not just creating smoothies, you're unlocking a world of culinary possibilities. Discover the joy of blending with confidence and creativity, and watch as your taste buds reward you for stepping up your kitchen game. Your smoothie journey starts here, and you're going to love every sip. That's a wrap. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, be sure to give it a like and subscribe. And let us know in the comment which smoothie blender you are going to choose. Thanks for watching. We will see you in our next videos.